We are taking a look at the Toyota Cresta 3.0 Super Lucent G kit from Fujimi, 1/24 scale curbside kit. Initially released in 1993 as a rebox, this version was first released in 1993 as the Cresta 2.5 Super Lucent G93, and then it was reissued as the Cresta 2.5 Tour V93 in 1993. The 3.0 Super Lucent got a reissue in 2015. And it is today's What's in the Box. The body. As you can see, it is a one-piece body. Tree A, which is the chassis parts tree. See, a good amount of detail is molded to the underside. Piece. Dash and front seats. And looks like a rear package shelf tray piece. Take a look at parts tree C and D. There on the right, on the left, you have another package tray, a spoiler piece it looks like, and on the right you have a center console, gear shift lever, and a steering wheel. Tree B, which has more suspension pieces and some interior pieces as well. Your tub, which typical Fujimi fashion style is pretty much light on the details, as you can see. There you have a spare tire carrier for the chassis. Here you have a spoiler and some mirrors. You have front subframe piece, center console, steering wheel, column, rearview mirror, brake rotors, no detail on them. No surface detail, I should say. And an exhaust pipe. Now we're going to take a look at the tires and wheels. As you see, the tires are already mounted to the wheels for you. There looks like to be blank sidewall tires from what I can see. And you get a couple of metal axle rods and poly caps. And now we're taking a look at parts tree G, which is the clear parts tree. So you have the main window unit piece. Panel, headlight lenses, marker light lenses, sunroof. Take a look at the window mask sheet. You see you have window masks with front rear window, side window, as well as the sunroof. But Fujimi style, you have to cut them out yourself. They're not laser cut, pre-cut for you. Have a decal sheet, which is pretty barren. You get a couple license plates, gauge, badging, scripting, inspection stickers. My friends, is going to do it for this look at the Toyota Cresta 3.0 Super Lucent G kit from Fujimi. And yes, no doubt if you want to get yourself some Toyota color match paint, James and Scalefinishes can probably hook you up with some of that if that's how you want to roll. So on that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.